This is 5.5 redo for AP Micro. And the first one asks us to define the least cost rule. The least cost rule is considering two resources and two different workers. It is finding the best combination in which you could produce the most outcome and the most efficient number of workers. The rule for this would be marginal product for a certain resource over price equal the same thing but for the other resource. For number 2, they ask us, how does this concept relate to marginal utility optimal consumption rule? Well, marginal utility optimal consumption rule is about how you should see which choice would give you the most profit or the most benefit for every dollar used. This is similar to least cost rule, as least cost rule also saves dollars, as it is also trying to find which option has the most benefit. For number 3, we are given a word problem in which we learn that the workers for the company of a machine shop is paid $14 per hour, and their marginal product of the last worker is $70. While John also rents a machine at a rate of $50 per hour. But we do not know the marginal product of the last machine he used. Knowing, as the question states, that John is already at his optimal cost combination, we can use the rule that we are given. As we learned that the marginal product for one side is 70 over 14, while the marginal product for one side is unknown, but we know that the price is $50 per hour. We can find the marginal product for the last machine she used. For number 4, we're given that from the previous question. However, this time we are given the marginal product of his machine last used as 400. And this question wants us to know, should John hire more workers, more machines, or not change his current labor or rental situation? Well, after seeing that these two numbers are not equal, you can tell that John should change his current rental situation and he should lower it to match the optimal combination.